So, the blasts have a couple of different variations. The key point is that anything with the name blast in it has blast powder. And this can be confusing because a lot of our customers will call any ice blended drink a blast. So you have to make sure that you ask them the right questions so you know what they're talking about. They'll say, I'll have a no-guilt blast. There's no such thing as a no-guilt blast. We have a no-guilt blended latte, which I'll explain in a second. But the basic blasts variations are this: chocolate, 2 scoops of chocolate, or vanilla. Vanilla, they actually get more scoops, because the vanilla is not quite as sweet. So for a 16 ounce, they would get 3 scoops, 1, 2, 3 of vanilla, and the toddy. It's the same toddy as we use for the regular blast, because it is a drink with coffee, even though it's vanilla. For a 24 ounce, they would get 4 scoops. Now the trick to making this drink taste right, because the most complaints I get is for the vanilla, is again making sure that you get all your powder into there. I think a lot of people just kind of and they actually don't get enough powder. The other trick is, for other blended drinks, we do have something called Thickie. This is not very sweet. This is just a thickener to blend up drinks that are not blast. They're blended lattes. They are a different drink. This is not vanilla powder. So you got to make sure that you don't go, that you're not spacing out and using the wrong powder for the wrong drink. They look the same, so you have to be very careful. Somebody hands you a vanilla blast, they say it doesn't taste like there's vanilla in it. You probably accidentally used Thickie instead. You have to remake the drink. So make sure you know what you're making. We do have decaf, it's in there. Also, I'll demonstrate in a second, we can make all of our drinks with soy. For the hot drinks, the procedure is exactly the same as using regular milk, you just use soy instead. The only thing you have to be aware of is the soy heats up very quickly. For the blended drinks, however, the procedure is slightly different. Since this is non-fat milk, it's not pre-made with soy, we have to grab the soy and